Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aadvik's WonderHub. This is a place where learning becomes fun. Today's topic is general knowledge questions with answer, basic level. Let's get started. I will ask questions and then I will share the answer with you. I hope you all are excited. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is New Delhi. Hope you have answered correctly. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? Options are Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Pluto. And your time starts now. I hope you have answered. And the correct answer is B, Mars. Good job. Let's move to the next question. How many days are there in a leap year? Option A 365, option B 366, option C 364, option D 360. And your time starts now. Remember, and your correct answer is 366. Good job. Let's keep moving. Question 4. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Option A, elephant. Option B, tiger. Option C, lion. Option D, giraffe. And your time starts now. The answer is lion. Good job. Let's move to the next question. Question 5. What is the national bird of India? Option A, crow. Option B, sparrow. Option C, peacock. Option D, parrot. Your time starts now. The answer is peacock. Well done. Good job. Let's move to the next. Question number 6. How many continents are there in the world? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. And your time begins now. And the answer is 7. Well done. Good job. Let's move to the next. Question 7. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Pacific Ocean. Option C, Indian Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. Your time starts now. This one was a little tricky one. Let's see who answers correctly. The answer is Pacific Ocean. Well done. Let's move to the next question. Question 8. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Option A, Holi. Option B, Diwali. Option C, Christmas. Option D, Eid. And your time starts now. The correct answer is Diwali. Yes, Festival of Lights. I hope you have answered correctly. This is one of my favorite, you know. Next question is, how many colors are there in a rainbow? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. And your time starts now. Quick, quick, quick. I'm sure everyone would have given the right answer. The answer is 7. Good job. And let's move to the last question of today. Who invented the light bulb? Option A, Thomas Edison. Option B, Albert Einstein. Option C, Isaac Newton. Option D, Alexander Graham Bell. And your time starts now. I'm sure this is a tricky one. Let's see who answers correctly. The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Alright, that's all for today's general knowledge quiz. I hope you have enjoyed the learning with me. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Aadvik's WonderHub for more exciting learning videos. See you the next video. Bye bye for now.